Welcome back to my channel. The 2026 Hyundai Sonata arrives as a striking blend of modern sophistication, advanced technology, and refined performance, an evolution of one of Hyundai's most iconic sedans. From the moment you see it, the new Sonata commands attention with its sleek and sculpted design. The front fascia is bolder than ever, featuring a full-width LED light bar that merges seamlessly into the daytime running lights, giving it a futuristic signature look. The wide grille sits low and confident, complemented by aerodynamic lines that flow effortlessly toward the rear, where a continuous LED tail light stretches across the trunk, emphasizing its sporty stance. Under the hood, the 2026 Sonata offers multiple powertrain choices to suit different driving preferences. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers smooth and efficient performance for everyday driving, while the turbocharged 1.6-liter option adds a punchier and more responsive character. For those who want the perfect balance between performance and eco-friendliness, the hybrid variant provides exceptional fuel economy without compromising on power. The refined 8-speed automatic transmission ensures crisp shifts, and the available all-wheel drive option, newly refined for 2026, adds stability and confidence, especially in challenging road conditions. On the road, the Sonata feels composed and quiet, thanks to improved cabin insulation and refined suspension tuning. The steering feels precise and responsive, giving the driver a sense of control that enhances both comfort and engagement. It's not just about numbers or horsepower, it's about how seamlessly the Sonata delivers its power, making every journey smooth and enjoyable. Step inside, and the 2026 Sonata impresses even more. The interior is designed with a driver-centric layout that feels both modern and luxurious. A massive curved display unites the 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with the infotainment screen, creating a panoramic tech hub that looks and feels premium. The interface supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with over-the-air software updates to keep everything current. The touch controls are intuitive, and the ambient lighting system lets you customize the cabin mood for a truly personal driving experience. Materials inside the Sonata are carefully chosen, with soft touch surfaces, available Nappa leather seats, and elegant contrast stitching that elevate the entire feel of the interior. The front seats are ventilated and heated, while the rear passengers enjoy ample legroom and climate vents for added comfort. Hyundai's attention to detail shines through in every corner, from the precision of the dashboard layout to the way the doors close with a solid, reassuring thud. In terms of technology, Hyundai continues to push boundaries. The 2026 Sonata is equipped with the latest version of Hyundai SmartSense, a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. This includes highway driving assist, adaptive cruise control with lane centering, blind spot monitoring, forward collision avoidance, rear cross-traffic alert, and even a smart parking system that can remotely move the car in and out of tight spaces using the key fob. The head-up display projects essential information directly onto the windshield, allowing the driver to stay focused on the road. Efficiency is another area where the Sonata stands out. The hybrid version can deliver impressive mileage thanks to its regenerative braking system and aerodynamic enhancements. Even the gasoline models feature active air flaps and an optimized underbody to reduce drag, improving both fuel economy and stability. When it comes to sound and entertainment, the available Bose premium audio system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, offering crystal clear sound from every angle. Add to that the panoramic sunroof, which floods the cabin with natural light, and you have a sedan that feels open, airy, and upscale in every sense. Overall, the 2026 Hyundai Sonata isn't just a car, it's a statement. It represents Hyundai's vision for what a modern sedan should be: stylish, efficient, and intelligent. Whether you're commuting through the city, cruising on the highway, or taking a long weekend trip, the Sonata delivers refinement and innovation that punch well above its price point. For those looking for a vehicle that blends technology, comfort, and performance in one beautiful package, the 2026 Hyundai Sonata stands as one of the best options in the midsize sedan segment. It's proof that sedans still have a strong place in today's market, especially when they're built with this level of passion, precision, and purpose.